My name is Husni Seifi. I live in Dubai and I am an MBA graduate from the great University of Northampton. I am not a video blogger, but this is most probably one of the most important videos of my life. I'm in Northampton now, the hotel, heading to the university. Today it's Friday, one day prior to the ceremony, but the university is arranging something very special and dedicated only to the graduate of Stafford. So the university is arranging some gifts for us. Congratulations!
Husni Seifi.
Good morning. Previously, I didn't know about Northampton. I looked it up a little bit, and it was a decent. It looks like a decent university. Why MBA? When I was approached initially, long time ago, 2 years ago, by one representative of Stafford Associate, I thought the first thing that came to my mind is, yeah, why not? It's good to have these 3 letters on your LinkedIn, and it is prestigious, and yeah, why not? The other reason, because it was value for money for me. The type of studying, which is the blended, suits me a lot. Every month or every module, doctors, professors, teachers, tutors, they used to come to Dubai, stay for 1, 2, 3 days sometimes, and give us a glimpse about the module, answer all the questions, and the most important is blending with the rest of the class. My intake, for example, was 82% from all the GCC and MENA. So I added to my portfolio, to my connection, like 82 new professional connection, which I am still in touch with a lot of them. To continue my study, for sure I'm going to pursue my DBA with Stafford Associate as well in UAE. It was an amazing journey with both Northampton and Stafford, from the whole family, from the tutors. I have to thank each and every one of you for the amazing job, for the time, for the knowledge, for the experience that you gave us from your time, your dedication, everything. All the respect for Northampton staff, Stafford staff, and for all the alumni. Thank you very much. Hope this video added something positive to you. And go for Northampton. And if you are in MENA region, go for Stafford.